Mailbox Monday. Doesn't look like much, but it's good once you get inside. Like your mom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, children of 24 up is what my analytics says. I got some stuff. I don't have a whole lot, but there's a lot of stuff in this bag that I bought today at Hobby Lobby, and there's some other things. So we will go through that. This I got from a place called Steal It, I believe. If you don't know, balls, what are we doing here? There we go. There we go. So this is called Steal It. It is stainless steel in a can. 316L stainless steel, anti-corrosive, weldable, in black. Polyurethane aerosol. Yep. I saw it on what I'm pretty sure was Harley's Live, maybe, or somewhere along those lines. I'm not sure. Anyway, they said you can get a free can if you go over there, check it out, steal it, tell them you're interested. I actually am interested in this for the wagon over here. I've got to do some floor work and things like that, so I'm hoping that maybe I can spray it with this, still weld through it when I need to patch a few things, and keep going. So that is one thing I got. Next! Ooh, stickers. Got some Vanquish hubs to go on a truck that I tried to mess around with. Some wheels, locked up wheels, and then like an F10 will fit just fine. But then once you get those Faith Racing brass portal covers, you need a little more space. So I got some 475s. That's what these are, right? 475s. I got these for the locked up wheels that I put on there. I put an Origin body on it, and it's on a Phoenix. I'm changing everything over to basically make like a Phoenix Origin mishmash thing. I don't know what you call it. A Forigin or a Oronix. Anyway, got those. Next! Wanted to mention, by the way, it is pouring outside, so you will hear thunder and lightning and all that stuff and all that jazz. So, next we have this. This is a box I got off eBay. I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna... You know what? This is what we're gonna do. Ready? Dude, it's not that deep. It's not fragile. Alright, so this I got off eBay. Snagged these up one night. Late one night, about 10:15. Oh, I even got screws. I don't know what those are for. I got a pair of seats. What the hell? These are, I don't remember what he said these are from. Not sure what these are from, but I got that one. And I got this little guy. And then these are from a Wraith, he said, but I don't think so, because they're very rubbery. Oh. I don't know. Maybe these are rubber. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't pay a whole lot for them. I think I got both these pairs for like 20 bucks plus like $4 shipping or something like that. I'd have to go look, but they were super cheap, and I got all four of them, and so that was like $10 a pair, we'll call it. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I got enough tubers and all that jazz that I need seats, and I don't have to build them, so sweet! Wait for it. Next! I went to Hobby Lobby today, and it'd just be easier to do this. So we'll just kind of go from top down. I got some transparent black, do some shading, shadow stuff whenever I'm airbrushing. Got a few projects lined up, so got some of that. I also got tequila yellow. I'm not 100% sure exactly what this looks like. It had like a real Aztec gold kind of looking thing but if you look at it, it is dark as hell, and I'm supposed to reduce it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it looked neat, so I bought it, pretty much. Let's see here. This is Caribou, I don't know. Blue, basically the same thing, super thin. So I don't know if I can, it says to mix it with 40-30, which is the thinner. So I'm not really sure what to do with it. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what to do with it. Obviously I haven't opened it, I just got it out of the bag. But I don't know what to do with it exactly, so I will figure that out. Moving along with some paint, I got these guys. So I've got all those hard bodies and everything, so I got some metallic red. I thought this was turn signal. Metallic red? I thought this said turn signal red. I didn't look. It's only $2. I don't know. I'll have to go back and get some. But got the metallic red. I got some thinner, just in case these are older and have been starting to thicken up. And then I also got turn signal amber. So that way I can paint, you know, different things on hard body stuff and clear lenses and jazz like that. These were in a bag until the bag exploded. But I got a bunch of these little cheap clips. They're just, you know, I saw these, and then I know that Jordan had some whenever I went to go check out my buggy out at his house. So I think these were like $4, something like that, something along those lines. And anyway, so they've got some decent holding power. They come in 4 different colors. You know, I like the green best, and you know, that's it. They're pretty nice. They'll hold some stuff together. That's all I needed. That's all I care about. I have a really cool Hobby Lobby here that has some cool stuff. So I got the Tamiya weathering kit, Weather Master. This is what a lot of the guys say they use. I have no idea if that's what I don't know. It says it generates flammable dust. That sounds fun. So I got some of that. CA glue. I got Mr. Cement adhesive for plastic styrene surfaces. Have no clue. It was somewhat cheap, and I said, well, hell, I'll try all these glues. Now that I'm getting into some hard body stuff, I figure I need to kind of up my game as far as sticking things together and all that. Also got some accelerator. I got a 6-piece brush, hobby brush set thing, whatever the hell. The one thing I liked about this is it's got some really big handles on it, which for my big fat sausage fingers may be a little more helpful. It goes from 2 to 10. They get smaller. I don't know, there's different brush sizes. I don't know what I'm doing. I also bought some paint markers. These are supposed to be thin, and the lady said that's what I need. I'm looking to do some of the trim, so we'll go ahead and actually open these. And I'll tell you what I think right now. Open these up. Shaky. Oh, those are gonna be nice. So just little markers to do the trim, kind of like that Toyota. So I don't know how well they work, but they look like they're gonna work. These are literally just say paint markers. 400796 at the old Hobby Lobby. And every scale garage needs scale puppies. So my options were a golden retriever, which I would have gotten, but it looked terrible. It was basically a brown, looked like it was on fire downwards and just painted brown. It was not a good option. I saw some German Shepherds, but one of them had like a broken leg, which, I mean, you know, lucky or something like that. And I think that was it. And then these guys. My grandma's always had a Dalmatian, so I got some Dalmatians because I grew up with them and stuff. And, you know, they were semi-cheapish. They're not too insanely expensive. So I got a little puppy and a big dog. I mean, I don't know what to name them. Leave me a comment and tell me what I should name him. I used to have a puppy. I named him Spot, and he ran away. But anyway, give me some suggestions for names for the puppies and the dog. And not Spot. Be creative, like Pepper, or hell, I don't know. Vanilla icing with black spots. I don't know. Anyway. So lastly, for my Hobby Lobby run, I got some evergreen styrene. I got some plain. This is 10, 20, and 40 thousandths thick. I got one, let's see, I got a set of 40 thousandths thick that has 2 sheets. And then I got a set of 80 thousandths thick. I think it's just 1 sheet. Yeah, 80 thousandths thick. It's like $5 a piece or something. The 80 makes a decent floor for like scale interiors and things, or it makes a okay panel if you are making, I don't know, some sort of little panel for something or whatever, a dashboard, all that stuff. 80 might be a little thick. 60 they didn't have, so my choices were 40 or 80, and then I got this, so I can build a ton of stuff with this. Not a big deal. Next! Now last we have this. This is from a little company you may have heard of. They're decent in the old rock crawler game right now. Got everybody blowing their stuff up here. I bought a chassis and some parts. Nothing too crazy, nothing you haven't heard of before. Come on. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, they're... What the hell? Dang! That's very simple. I don't lie about that. Alright, so this is from a little place called GSpeed and Team Garage Hack. So I want to build another buggy. Jordan's building me a buggy. I've got plenty of buggies built. I've built a few. My first TLT was actually a tube chassis back in probably 2006. I picked up a bunch of brake lines, sanded it all down, learned how to semi-braze before I really knew what I was doing, and I used like the sticks that already have the flux on them and everything, and it was probably rough. I don't have any pictures of it. Somehow, even back then, I was taking a ton of pictures, and I have none. So I don't understand exactly how that happened, but anyway, hardcore RC. Okay, got lots of cards. So what I got was I picked up a chassis. We'll start there. Picked up a new chassis. Super nice. It comes in carbon. I think it comes in G10 aluminum, but I wanted something I could actually weld to, not just bolt to. So I went ahead and got the steel version. It is insanely nice. Like, the edges are all chamfered. This thing is so nice. It's been like polished. It is so smooth. I wish you could feel this. Like, look at this. Look at that. Schwang! See the light bouncing off of it? Look at that. Look at it.
Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
So I got a chassis. It's a V3, I believe. And then with that, these are the sliders. I won't be using the sliders, so I'll probably just end up keeping these around, selling them to somebody that needs them, whatever I want to do. Got a Team Garage Hack forward motor mount for the chassis, so I'm going to try to make it pretty nice. My plan is to basically build it, tube everything, yada yada yada, make some shock mounts and stuff like that, and then just lop it off, probably right here, and that'll just be that. So it'll just be the front. Hell, I may chop it off here depending on what everything else looks like. I don't really have a plan yet. I just know that I wanted to base it off of something like this. I can use the forward motor mount, which also means I can use this guy. This is the transfer case that goes with the forward motor mount. I believe this is the 30% overdrive version. Could be the 0. I think I bought the 30. Yeah, pretty sure I bought the 30. So I ordered this a week or so ago, and it just came today. And I've been really busy, so I don't remember exactly anymore, but bought that. And then it comes, the chassis does come, the chassis kit actually is what I should say. I bought a chassis kit. So the chassis kit does come with a Delrin skid. So I got that. And then this is all of the panhard. The mounts for the transmission are in here. So this is the mount for the trans. This is my drill jig right here. And then I got the panhard and the other side of the transmission mounts. So I got everything I needed to mount all this up to itself and each other and all that jazz, and be good to go. So you hear nothing but good things from Team Garage Hack, so I figured that was safe. You hear nothing but good things about GSpeed. And in all honesty, the one thing I did hear was like sometimes they break, yada yada yada. I'm probably not breaking this, so any of those things I really didn't care about. So that is what I got. That pretty much sums it up. That's everything. I'm pretty happy with it. This is just basically a bunch of, you know, preparation and detail and scale stuff. This will actually build things, so I'm pretty excited about that. I did want to mention I will be at Rocktober down in Maysville, Kentucky on October, what is that, 8th, I think it is. If not, I'll put the correct date up here because I'm stupid. If you guys or gals can make it, I would highly suggest it. Beat the Creek is always a blast. Rocktober is just as much fun. It's the exact same stuff, the exact same trails, but it's usually a lot less people. Last year we walked through the trails. The creek was actually completely dry for the most part, and it was a lot the same, but being so dry was a completely different experience. So it's always fun. The guy that puts it on, super good dude. He's always, you know, everybody there seems very, very nice. The hotels around there are super nice if you get the right ones. I would not suggest the Super 8. That's about it though. So I'll be there. I'm going to try to get a vendor tent and be up there. You know, I'll be talking to people. We're not making a huge thing about it. It'll just be me and Jordan. And you can meet both of us if you want to. Come talk to me. I'll bring tons of trucks. I will be there. And it'd be cool if you guys did too. So anyway, that is all. You know what to do. If you like and subscribe and all that jazz, I would be super grateful. And remember to leave me a comment about anything in the video in general, and then what I should name the dogs. So that's all. You guys have a wonderful day. I thoroughly appreciate you watching. I will see you later. Bye.